Foreign nationals do not need a visa to enter Bangladesh. Foreign nationals do not need a visa to enter Bangladesh. The government has providing visa on arrival to facilitate the arrival and stay of foreign nationals of Bangladeshi descent in Bangladesh with a view to attracting foreign capital and technology, expanding trade and development of tourism industry. Immigration authorities at international airports and land ports for those arriving from different countries will be able to issue a maximum of 30 days entry visa without multiple travel facility after fully satisfying the conditions of certain class passport holders by passing the required documents. What is visa on arrival? Visa on arrival means you will be allowed to enter any country upon arrival with instant visa facility. That means you don't need to get a visa in advance. In simpler terms, visa on arrival means that you do not have to take a visa in advance. The visa will be issued to you upon arrival at immigration of that country, but you need to have all the necessary documents for the visa, and the country of issuance of a visa depends on the chances of getting your visa. Bangladeshis are entitled to on-arrival visa in more than 50 countries. On the other hand, many foreign nationals also do not need a visa to enter Bangladesh. They are issued on-arrival visa by the Immigration Authority of Bangladesh after submitting the required documents. In case of issuance of an arrival visa, the following persons are considered subject to submission of required documents. A. On-arrival visa can be issued only to the citizens of those countries where there is no embassy of Bangladesh, after verifying the suitability of travel, such as Algeria, Austria, Bolivia, Colombia, Chile, Costa Rica, Croatia, Ecuador, Fiji, Ghana and some other countries. B. In the case of foreign investors, on-arrival visas may be issued on the basis of invitation letter from the inviting organization and certificate of investment board, if applicable. However, the inviting organization must notify the Department of Immigration and Passports and the Immigration Authority in advance of the arrival of the foreigner. C. The United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Russian Federation, China, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, Bahrain, Egypt. Immigration authorities at international airports and land ports will be able to issue on-arrival visas to those arriving from Turkey, Brunei and European countries with passports. D. If a person arrives in Bangladesh from a country other than his or her own, where there is no Bangladesh embassy, she can be issued an on-arrival visa after verifying her suitability for travel. E. In case of foreign nationals of Bangladeshi descent, their spouses and children may be issued on-arrival visa on the basis of Bangladeshi citizenship certificate or certificate of relevant Bangladeshi descent. F. On-arrival visas may be issued to foreign embassies in Bangladesh, United Nations and its affiliates for examination, recruitment of officials, staff. If the visa requirement for foreigners arriving with on-arrival visa in the above category needs to be extended, in the light of existing visa recognition, the Department of Immigration and Passports may extend the validity of the visa on the conditions specified in the relevant visa category. To obtain a connecting flight, the Immigration Authority or next available flight may issue a transit visa for a maximum of 72 hours at the request of the airlines concerned. For this, service charge of $20 per head or equivalent amount in foreign currency has to be deposited in the designated bank and as prescribed. Court reporters are being appointed in 64 districts of the country. Court reporters are being appointed in 64 districts of the country. The following procedure should be followed in issuing incoming visa. A visa fee must be paid in foreign currency, dollar, pound, euro. B. Foreigners arriving in areas other than government jobs must have a minimum of $500 equivalent in foreign currency cash, credit card. C. Arrivals must have a return flight ticket. D. Necessary documents are required subject to arrival. E. Visa fees will not apply to passport holders in countries where visa fees do not apply to citizens.
Incoming visa fees will apply to countries other than those with which the entry visa is issued on the basis of reciprocity or agreement, and g. The intelligence agencies concerned collect the complete information of foreigners arriving on arrival visa and take appropriate action, and the immigration authorities at the land and airport will send a monthly report to the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Department of Immigration Passports. Arrival visa must be issued after confirmation of the purpose of arrival. However, members of foreign military and security forces must obtain prior permission from the Ministry of Home Affairs in case of arrival in Bangladesh.